Hello friends, Mercedes-Benz is currently testing the next generation Mercedes CLE under the heavy camouflage. But based on the latest spy photos, we believe that it will look very similar to these renders. The CLE will replace both C-Class coupe and E-Class coupe, and it will based on the same platform with the Mercedes C-Class. The new car will get aggressive front end, incorporating slim LED headlights, a large grille, a sporty bumper. The side profile is very slick, giving an aerodynamic roof line, regular door handles, and 21-inch alloy wheels. The back gets redesigned LED tail lights, a smaller spoiler, and a large diffuser with 4 exhaust pipes. In the inside, most probably it will get from the C-Class interior, big 2 screens, and other new features. These are spy photos from the motor1.com. Thanks for them, and thanks for the colese.com for the renderings. We don't have any information about the engines yet, but we are thinking about the Mercedes C-Class engines will be transferred to this CLE. Thanks for the watching. Please do not forget to subscribing to the channel and putting a like on the video. What do you think about these renders? Comment below.